Good morning, students. How are you? Hope you are fine and safe at home. Today we will do sounds of AP and AY. Let's start one by one. AP word family. AP sounds app. What is the sound of AP? AP app. So let's see few examples. So the first example is CAP cap. C app cap. C app cap. Cap means fitted head covering. This cap is of blue color. This cap is of blue color. Next word is gap. GAP gap. G app gap. G app gap. Gap is an empty space between two things. Gap is an empty space between two things. In this picture, you can see there is a gap between two teeth. Next word is clap. CLAP clap. Cl app clap. Cl app clap. Clap means to hit your hands together many times. He is doing clapping. Next word is nap. NAP nap. N app nap. N app nap. Nap means a short sleep during the daytime. You can see in this picture a dog is taking a nap. Next is the sound of AYA. What is the sound of AY? AYA. Now let's see few examples of the words that are having the sound of AYA. Let's start one by one. So the first word is hay. H a hay. H a hay. Hay means the grass that has been cut off and dried for use. You can see hay in this picture. Next word is pray. Pr a pray. Pr a pray. Pray means to speak to God or thank you God for giving such a beautiful life. They are praying to God. Next word is pay. 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 Pay means to give money to somebody for some work or goods. In this picture, girl is paying to another girl as she has taken ice cream from her.